Magical, incredible place. I've never played in the Alps before, so this is the first time for me. Thank you for coming.